Hey guys, Soon here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing Supreme. I have few Supreme items back to back lined up. Again, I haven't been filming too much, but I'm trying to pump out as much as I can right now. This is a rather a little old, maybe like 3 weeks old. I'm not 100% sure, but this is a week 12. It wasn't the best Supreme drop in my opinion. There was okay item, and honestly, I thought about skipping, but I ended up getting something out of it. Week 12 item, there was only one thing that was pretty clean design. It has the aerial view of New York City, and they put that on a Supreme hoodie and a Supreme t-shirt, and one of the items that I thought was pretty dope, which was the Supreme deck. In my opinion, again, it was just an okay average drop. I may have not gotten anything. I did see two accessory which I liked, and for me, being a fan of Supreme accessory, I had to collect them and I had to want it, so I decided to go for them. And the two items that I got was the Supreme fishbowl and the Supreme knife. So let's go ahead and open them up and check it out. The two items came separately. One was in a box like this, and the another one came in a regular package like this. I'm assuming they sent it in two different packages because the fishbowl is glass and it's fragile, so I'm assuming they decided to ship it separately. But I went ahead and opened this one already by mistake, so I'll just show what is in there. With the package came with the two Supreme stickers. Nothing special sticker on this one, and in the regular package came with the Supreme folding knife. This was shrink wrapped. Again, I opened it by mistake already without realizing that I was recording, but honestly the only thing was the shrimp wrapping, and the box itself is pretty clean with the Supreme logo with a pino and the French knife for it. The box is white, all clean, but honestly standard, nothing really special box. Even the inside, they don't really have much but this piece of cardboard that's just kind of holding the Supreme knife in place. So from a packaging perspective, it's just a regular small box with the Supreme logo on it. The knife itself came in two colorways. There was a red one and a black one, but this time around I decided to go for the black one. The handle feels like a wood and has a Supreme logo on it, and the string on the back that attached to it feels leathery. I believe it is a leather. I'm not 100% sure, but it does feel leather with the wood. And the knife falls out like this. On the head itself, we have the made in France with number 8, and the knife pretty much holds like this. And on the blade itself, you have the Pino logo. So other than the handle, there's no Supreme logo, but we do have the brand for Pino on the blade itself. Pretty sharp, and usually the blade has a clicking mechanism that kind of prevents this from folding back in, but this doesn't have it. I'm not sure how practical this is, but it does fold in and out pretty easily. Again, usually with any knife there's a lever or a clicker or something that kind of you press in to fold, but this just kind of folds in and out, so I'll be very careful using this. The blade itself is pretty sharp, I guess, but it's brand new knife, so I expect it to be. But again, I'm not sure on the quality of the knife, but for me, for the most part, this probably just gonna be a decorative piece. Let's go ahead and open up the second item. This is what I was going for. It's this Supreme fishbowl, so let's bring it out. Again, it came in a box like this. We'll just use the knife that we just got to open the box. The packaging is pretty decent, has all the paper here, and with it we got the two Supreme box logo. Again, nothing special this drop, so no special sticker. And we have the white box, and it's just a plain white box. There's nothing written on it. It does have a sticker that says fishbowl, but other than that, it's pretty much all standard white box. So let's go ahead and open this box. And inside it, we have this plastic molding. So we have unclick it, and out comes the Supreme fishbowl. Has a weird smell on the fishbowl itself. Anyway, not a sneaker drop. so it doesn't have the fresh sneaker smell, but I got the whiff of weird smell, so definitely has to clean and wash this out before use. But anyway, we have in the front, we have the Supreme. I don't think you could see it clearly without putting any fabric behind it, but we have the Supreme SUPR on one side, and the other side has EME Supreme. Pretty clear vase, and I'm looking all around it on the bottom and everything. There's nothing else that written on it. So honestly, it's just a clear fishbowl with Supreme on the two face, and that's it. Well, I don't own a fish, so I'm not sure what the standard fishbowl is, but I do know this is 2 gallon. I thought about what I'm gonna do with them while I was waiting to unbox this, whether to run out and get a fish like betta fish or goldfish. But this is 2 gallon fishbowl, so it doesn't really suit for the betta fish. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just make something out of this as like a decorative piece. Always create a terrarium out of this. Realistically, that's probably what's gonna happen. I'll probably create a terrarium, and if I do use this, I'll probably create a separate video on making and creating of whatever I'm going to use this for. So look out for those. Again, the 2 items that I got was the Supreme fishbowl and the Supreme folding knife. Let's go ahead and give you guys a closer look and wrap it up.
Feel uninvited, left your home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah, why don't you love me, love me, love me?